What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be installing the Trufiber mirror caps for the inside, the ones that go right here, if you can see it. But yeah, I'm be installing those. You can see that they're already actually in. This video is a little older. I filmed it a while ago, but let's get into it. What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be installing the Trufiber little mirror caps inside of the car, where you switch how you move your mirrors around inside. Super good quality, like always, from Trufiber. And man, these things are, whew, man, amazing quality. So I'm gonna head to the car and show you how to put these in the car. Alright, so this is where they go right here. These ones are pretty simple. You just squeeze them and pop them off. This is music. So that's simple, just to pop them out. They do have two clips, one right there and one right there that you have to take out, and then this has the little spots to put them on, and then you just snap it in here. Pretty simple. I'll have to use like a needle nose plier to get this one off because it's got a little tab in it, but I'm gonna take this little padding out and transfer it to this one. Alright, so I got the driver's side out too. Same way, it's just you gotta unplug a little connector right here. Just simple little clip that unplugs it, and then to get this out, there's two little silver clips right there that you just push down and you'll just pop it out. Pretty simple. Alright, so I got everything glued in, got the things on, so you just connect it back here and pop it in place. That's simple. Now I got the carbon fiber little mirror switch cover, and I'll show you how to do the passenger side over there. Alright, so I got these ones in, got that glued down. I suggest on the driver's side checking where the screw goes, because on mine it was stuck in there and I thought I was missing one, but it was in there, and I've seen that happen to a few people. So, but this install is pretty easy. A lot easier than the driver's side. And that's how that looks. Super nice. Matches all the door trim. That one over there, can't probably see it, but that's what they look like in the car. They make it look so much better. If you guys have made it this far in the video, I appreciate it so much. And if you would like, comment, and subscribe, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.